हम लोग आगे गेट ऑफ इंडिया। आपको जिस चीज़ का इंतजार था भाई, यहाँ पर प्रशासन को गड़बड़ लग रहा है भाई। पुलिस वाले बहुत ही यहाँ, ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं भाई। देखते हैं आगे ये ताज होटल, ठीक है। पहले एंट्री होते हैं तो फिर आपको आगे दिखाते हैं।
10 units across India. The course more than 40,000 ex-cadets are today productive and caring citizens of our great nation, shining in a number of diverse fields and professions, including the Indian Armed Forces and the Russian Marine.
जिस कदमों से आगे बढ़ते हुए, कदमों से कदम मिलाते हुए पीछे रामचंद्रानी मार्ग पर इकट्ठा हुए असंख्य मुंबईकरों के दिलों में जोश, आनंद और अपनापन बढ़ाते हुए आप देख सकते हैं कई सम्मान प्राप्त भारतीय नौसेना का विश्व विख्यात बैंड धीरे धीरे प्लाजा की ओर बढ़ रहा है। मुंबई के इस ऐतिहासिक मार्ग और यहाँ स्थित शाही हवेलियों और ताज होटल के सामने से चलते हुए बैंड के लिए हमेशा ही गर्व का क्षण रहा है। न केवल लोगों का मनोरंजन करना, साथ ही में भारतीय नौसेना के गौरव के रंगों को संगीत द्वारा और सुनहरा करना। दर्शक दिनों को हम बताना चाहते हैं कि उत्साह
By Lieutenant Commander Mala Mohan, Lieutenant D.S. Meena, Lieutenant Commander Angad, Lieutenant Pranav, and Lieutenant Commander Ranjit, Lieutenant Shah. The elegant piano piece display creates the effect.
आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि आप अपने मोबाइल फोन
सामने मेरे सामने
साइलेंट मोड पर रखें और तस्वीरें लेते समय अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें।
ये सर पता है
As the borders have changed, expanded beyond their ship lines, tradition of sounding the drums became a tradition for showcasing the armed forces on ceremonial occasions.
उधर से ही होगा ना चलो 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 चलो
And let the senses witness the magic of the
एंट्री बंद हो गई क्या?
military discipline and free spirit of the movement. The warm and flowing tone
अरे आगे चलो मैडम प्लीज आगे चलो चलो आगे चलो
stoic demeanor of the leader.
Emerging from the sky are the Indian Naval Chetak helicopters to commence the operation demonstration. INAS 321 Fleet Support Squadron, affectionately addressed as Angels. Aptly named, these Angels of Mercy are tested by the innumerable lives they have saved in search and rescue missions or in prompt evacuation of casualties from the battlefield. The Angels have left their footprint on vast tracts of oceans, operating from the Cape of Good Hope to the English Channel and from Pearl Harbor to Kiel Canal. Spot turn is a maneuver where the aircraft turns while at cover, maintaining its height and ground position. Also, effortlessly, they twist, turn, cover, and shift in any direction, responding instantly to every touch of the controls. Observe closely as the Chetans will now perform the elegant piano keys display, creating the effect of a floating keyboard in the sky. As you can see, the Chetans are lowering the train divers. In an actual scenario, these divers would be lowered into the water to rescue the survivors. unique ability of the helicopter, which makes it extremely versatile and sets it apart from the fixed-wing aircraft. Executing this maneuver requires the pilot to use all four limbs to control the aircraft, demanding immense psychomotor skills and practice. We are witnessing the kind of coordination, skill, and finesse that only rotary-wing aviation can offer.
समुद्र में संकट के समय जान बचाने की अद्भुत क्षमता और कौशल का इतना उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले इन बहादुर जवानों के लिए जोरदार तालियों से उनका उत्साह वर्णन करें। जैसा कि आपने देखा, रोटरी विंग विमान यानी हेलीकॉप्टर अपनी बहुमुखी और विशिष्ट क्षमता के कारण सर्च एंड रेस्क्यू तथा अन्य कार्रवाइयों के लिए सबसे उपयुक्त structure है रोड मैप। That, ladies and gentlemen, completes the successful insertion of the Marcos Pragar.
As you can imagine, it is not easy, this slithering business. It needs speed, strength, agility, tremendous focus, and courage beyond measure. The lives are at stake, but the never-say-die attitude is a core attribute of the Marine Commandos. It's no wonder that they're revered amongst the most elite special forces in the world.
देश की रक्षा के लिए सतत मुस्तैद भारतीय नौसेना के वीर जांबाज मरीन कमांडोज ने लगातार कठिन अभ्यास की बदौलत इस हैरत अंगेज प्रदर्शन को वर्तमान स्वरूप प्रदान किया है। एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन बहादुरों के लिए।
Western Naval Command of the Indian Navy, headquartered here in
We shall now witness a spectacular simulation of clandestine operations by the daring seeking Mark 42 Charlies of the Marine Commando flight, proudly known as the Zappa. It will incorporate a helicopter with a tactical insertion scope of operations team. At the controls today are Zappa leader Commander Utsav Malik, Lieutenant Commander Atul Patale. Zappa 2 is being flown by Commander Kaustav Banerjee, Nausena Gallantry, with Commander Choknathan. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, two small Geminys are ready to induct. You can see how, when the boys get down, our marshals get to it. Downwash of the powerful blast is coming down as the helicopters are taking place. Naval Marine Commando, whittling down to the Gemini and confirm where the jobs are laid. Delivering the technique in which the Marine Commando
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the chief guest. Vice Admiral Rahul Vilas Gokhale, Youth Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command. You are requested to remain standing for the national anthem which will follow. Personnel in uniform are to salute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, मुख्य अतिथि पहुंच चुके हैं। आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। वर्दीधारी कर्मी सलामी देंगे।
The chief guest has arrived and all are requested to remain standing for the national anthem. Personnel in uniform are to salute. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem.
Please be seated.
As they will showcase the iconic squat turn and spiral maneuvers. These mighty steel giants will gracefully recover to over just 50 feet above the water surface, showcasing the remarkable agility and versatility. The demonstration is led by our leader, Commander Ashwini Kumar, Commander E.P. Singh, Commander Vinay Tiwari, and Commander Ashwini Kumar. For Harbour 2, we have Commander Abhishek Kar, Lieutenant Commander Shaurya, and Commander Kishore. The Harbour will now demonstrate clockwise and anti-clockwise squat turns with 360 degrees. The seating Mark 42 Bravo has long been regarded as one of the most formidable living threats to human survival. With sensors specifically developed for anti-submarine warfare, including sonar dome to enable precise detection and tracking. The use of submarines concealed in the depths of the ocean and the range of effective anti-submarine weapons, including depth charges and light liquid payloads, making it a highly capable and versatile asset for maritime security. Its legacy of potent anti-submarine capabilities, much like a frigate, the warship was designed for ultimate lifetime defense. It has been aptly known.
Before the harpoon sign off, they perform their customary salute, gracefully giving their noses towards the audience, the vibrant city of Mumbai and the majestic gateway of India. Ladies and gentlemen, this is perhaps the last time the legendary harpoon, flying the Seeking Mark 42 Bravo, will be performing at the beating retreat and salute ceremonies for the citizens of Mumbai. The venerable Seeking Mark 42 Bravo will soon hand over its 5-decade-long legacy to the newly inducted state-of-the-art multi-mission helicopter MH-60 Romeo.
शानदार प्रदर्शन के बाद क्षितिज की ओर लौटते हुए इन शक्तिशाली सीकिंग के लिए जोरदार तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट हो जाए।
train is scheduled to be commissioned on the 17th of December 2025 at INS Ansar, Goa, under the command of Captain Virender Singh Vick, Nausena Med Gallantry.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for the Angels, Harpoons, Falcons and Seahawks for a majestic flypast over the gateway of India.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now the place dinner restored, the showstopper, airpower demonstration this evening. Emerging from behind the gateway is a PT-142 Charlie, commanded by Commander Utsav Malik, Flight Commander of the Atul Patali, for the speedy extraction of cargoes from the area of operation after a successful mission. This operation is termed as STIME, short for Small Team Insertion. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. I would now request you to please to your right. Approaching the very first for the aerial salute is the Angel Banner formation from INS 321, Fleet Support Squadron consisting of 4 Chinook aircraft. The lead aircraft is proudly flying our beloved national tricolor, and the aircraft behind is flying the naval ensign.
The Angel Banner formation is led by Commander Kaustubh Deshmukh, Commanding Officer, INS 321 Fleet Support Squadron, and his co-pilot is Lieutenant Udbhav. The other pilots of the formation are Lieutenant Commander B.S. Meena and Lieutenant Commander Angad with Lieutenant Shaunak. Chetaks are versatile, lightweight, multi-role helicopters that have been rendering yeoman service to the country for more than 6 decades.
INS शिप्रा के पनडुब्बी रोधी सी किंग मां संचालक है कमांडर अश्विनी कुमार, कमांडिंग ऑफिसर INS 330. क्रू है कमांडर DP सिंह, कमांडर विनय तिवारी, कमांडर आशीष. हार्पून क्रू है कमांडर अभिषेक, लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर शौर्य, कमांडर कुलभूषण, लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर उपदेश. हार्पून 3 कमांडर कौस्तुभ बैनर्जी एंड कमांडर सोमनाथन.
Helicopters, affectionately known as the Falcons. Today, this formation is being led by Commander Deepak with Naval Air Operations Officer Lieutenant Commander Abhimanyu. In the line of turn position are Commander Mukesh.
विहंगम दृश्यों से भरपूर ये शाम और भी सुहानी होने वाली है. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से इन जोशीले कैडेट्स का हौसला बढ़ाइए.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आगे होने वाले दृश्य के लिए तैयार रहें।
Please look up above the gateway of India where the MH-60R Seahawk performs a magnificent flare display, dazzling the night sky of South Mumbai. As we come to the close of this year's meet and retreat and tattoo ceremony, may I draw your attention to the